How's it going today, my friends? Welcome back to my Merry Christmas Countdown. Today's video is to help you. Yes, help you tick off your list of those people you have no idea what to buy. So I'm gonna hit up some stores that are gonna help you with that. We're gonna hit up Pities, The Body Shop, Lush, and then there's also a really special store that I like hitting up at least once every Christmas time. If you're here for some advice, if you're here just to relax, cozy up, get your pen and pad and paper, just like Santa, and let me be your little elf. Click that subscribe button and let's go shopping. Okay, next up is a store that is really going to help you check off your list, and that is Pities. Pities is the best chocolate. Honestly, it really is. I love it. I have nostalgia about Pities. I used to love like their ice cream bars. I'd always get with my nan and my papa. But anyways, not here for ice cream. It's too cold for that. But we're here to check out some gift sets, some items that are really going to help to purchase those gifts for those hard to buy for. Pities really is your one-stop shop, especially when it comes to this peppermint bark. Oh my goodness. And they had some amazing already done for you stocking stuffers, from butter toffees to milk chocolate, dark chocolate, amazing gift boxes. These Yeti Mellows are to die for, and the English toffee is my favorite. It's not Christmas without it. And those Dear Santa bars, okay, so these are so cool. So with every purchase of a Dear Santa bar, $2 will go directly towards the Children's Hospital Foundations across Canada. And how amazing is that? You give a gift that's delicious and you give a gift of hope as well. It's a creamy milk chocolate bar with lots of crunchy salted toffee bits. Yummy. So for Ava's dance teachers, I got these reindeer gift boxes, and what's included is a snowman lolly, coffee break bar, an orange melty bar, a mint melty bar, a Jolly St. Nick milk chocolate, and a pack of 3 hedgehogs. That's all for $20. Or this Survive This Season gift box. You get a coffee break bar, peanut butter bar, chocolate chewy bar, hedgehogs, and sweet Georgia Browns, all for $23. Who doesn't love chocolate? So honestly, go to Pities. They have stocking stuffers as well that have lots of mixed chocolates, Santa chocolates. These incredible vintage looking candy canes are to die for, or this peppermint crunch bar. The list is endless. Look at these candy cane truffles, yummy. Honestly, Pities just does all the work for you. They also have those beautifully gift wrapped chocolate boxes as well, so it's all done for you, done and dusted. I got some goodies, I got some stocking stuffers. Next up, we're gonna hit up The Body Shop. The Body Shop for me is a one-stop shop. I love The Body Shop. It's very nostalgic from like the 90s. I'm such a 90s kid, if you haven't noticed by now. Let's check out some of their gift sets. Alright, so at The Body Shop, they have everything pretty much done for you. They have gifts from $20 and under, $35 and under, $55 and under, and then you're over $55. And right now, most everything's on sale. You can find kits for as low as $14. It's called this Vibe Booster Discovery Kit. You get an essential oil and a hand cream, or you can get their famous luxurious body butter and a shower gel. They have so many different scents and lathers. They have hair care. Now, starter kits, you get a shampoo and conditioner and a hair mask. Incredible. How many of you remember the scent, and it was all the rage back in the 90s, this bananas shampoo? I smelt it and I felt like I was a teenager again. I almost wanted to buy it. It was so great. Or check this out, they have a brand new peppermint cooling shower gel. I definitely bought this for my husband. They had luxurious kits that were $60 that included quite a few products as well. They have beautiful coconut shower creams, a coconut body butter, a coconut hand cream, and a coconut body mist with a loofah in these great little kits. They just really do the work for you. They take the guesswork out of it. And I know that if this was under my tree, I would be incredibly happy. Okay, this is the nostalgia factor here. How many of you remember in the 90s, they had these journals? I remember asking my mom, begging my mom for a journal for Christmas, and she got it for me, and I remember writing it every day. It was like a really bright color. I think it was like to save the animals. I loved it. Or do you remember getting the lip balms? And wouldn't they taste delicious? Honestly, I think the strawberry lip balm was my favorite. I miss those days. Okay, this next store that we're gonna hit up, it's actually in Crossfire Mills, and it's called Makers. And what I love is that they gather artists, local artists from around the Alberta area, and they bring their beautiful gifts, their beautiful products here. It's all in one store. It's a one-stop shop, and it's really gonna help you find those like unique, one-of-a-kind items. So I went on the website and it says Shop Makers is a movement, a celebration of local artistry and entrepreneurship. This idea was actually born in Vancouver, and they've expanded to Vancouver, Victoria, Edmonton, Calgary, Toronto, and the Greater Toronto area. And we allow Canadians to support Canadians no matter where they live. So they gather artisans from around the country and also really support local artists, and they bring them to you, and it's incredible. And I love how they put who made each product above the product line. I think that's brilliant. So then you can go home. There's also lots of QR codes. You can scan the QR code, you can follow the artist, you can support the artist. But really, these one-of-a-kind gifts you aren't going to find in those big box stores. This is a really unique touch, a thoughtful touch, and something that is unique to that special someone. Also, what I thought is cool is that at Shop Makers, their artisans earn 100% of every sale they make, no cuts or commissions. And I think that's absolutely fantastic, really supporting these entrepreneurs who are bringing something different and something unique. So how are you doing with your shopping so far? Are you almost done? Have you finished months ago? Are you in the wrapping stages, or are you just getting started? I was kind of giggling to myself at the mall. There were so many guys at the mall with their significant others, and you could tell they took the day off of work to go shopping. Some look like they're having a blast. I even saw this family in matching Christmas jammies going shopping together like it was their tradition. I thought that was so cute. And some looked rather stressed. So if you are on the stress side, don't worry, let me know down in the comments below if you need me to help you out. I'll also put in the description down below my Merry Christmas countdown so you can go back. I have videos starting from December 1st to help you throughout the holiday season with your Christmas cheer and that Christmas to-do list. Or just snuggle up with a hot cup of cocoa and look at your Christmas tree and know that you're going to have the best, most magical season, because it's not about what's under the tree. It truly is about who's around the tree and the real reason why we celebrate Christmas. So much success, and you guys, whenever possible, it's so important to support local, and I love stores like that. There's a lot of stores too where I live that like are local craftsmen or artisans, and I love going there, especially for those like one-off gifts or really special gifts that you want to find for somebody special. But I'm doing good. Okay, let's hit up Lush next. I can already smell Lush, and it smells so good. I can't wait. That's cool. They have free personal shopping now. Love all their packaging. Okay, Lush came in strong. They have the cutest gift sets, bubble bars, bath bombs. They have a whole Wicked line that is so cute, and I know will be on so many teenagers' lists. Well, even mine. It smelled so good. But check this out. They have gifts for under 25, under 50, gifts over 50, and gifts over $100. You can just select and pick a mix, almost like you're at a candy store and you're picking out your favorite bath bombs for somebody, or bubble bars, or they have pre-done gifts. They have the cutest gift pack for kids that it also includes a coloring book, which I thought was so cute. They have spa ones, they have sleepy time ones, they have energizer ones. Honestly, and the gift wrap is to die for. Lush is your one-stop shop to help you check off that list. Okay, my friends, I definitely had tons of luck in Lush and all the stores that I hit up. I hope that it helped you or maybe gave you a couple ideas that maybe you didn't think of before, but I am officially done. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.